Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss second adjustment, outstanding expenses. Expenses which have been incurred but not yet paid during the accounting period. So these expenses are incurred, have been incurred but not yet paid during the accounting period, for which the final accounts are being prepared, are called outstanding expenses. I will explain this concept with simple example. Trial balance shows salaries paid 20,000 rupees. Trial balance shows salaries paid 20,000 rupees. Adjustment given as salary for March 2004, 2,000 rupees not yet paid. That means total salary for this period is 22,000 rupees paid and 2,000 rupees have not been paid. That means it is outstanding expense. This 2,000 belongs to this year only, that means March 2014 only. That's why this adjustment should be adjusted this financial year only. So adjusting entry, understand the adjustment entry. Salaries account data to salaries outstanding account. So it also expenditure for this year. What is the nominal account rule? Expenses, losses should be debited. So that's why salaries account debited. How much amount? 2,000 rupees. Next, salaries outstanding account. This is personal account. What is the personal account rule? Who gives the benefit should be credited. Employees gave the benefit to the entity. That's why salaries outstanding account credited. If you want to learn the basic principles of accounting, you should listen intermediate classes, our written notebook classes. That's most useful, because if you understand the basics, you can easily do all type of problems with easy understanding. Okay, this entry, salaries account should be debited because it is an expense. 2,000 belongs to this year only, and 2 salaries outstanding account should be credited. Okay, next. So these 2 items, outstanding expenses, will be shown on the debit side of profit and loss account by way of additions to the particular expense, because profit and loss account all items should be opposed to this year only. That's why, like we are saying, 22,000 rupees already paid, 2,000 rupees have to be paid, belongs to this financial year only. That's why we have to debit that amount also. We can see here 2 salaries account 22,000, this profit and loss account paid amount 22,000. Next, outstanding amount belongs to this financial year only, this financial year 2,000 rupees. Total transfer to this year how much? 24,000 rupees. Okay. Next, on the liability side of the balance sheet, because have to be paid, this is the liability. So liability side, outstanding salaries account. I hope you understand. If you don't have understand, you have to must follow basic principles of accounting. If you follow the basic principles rules, it is very easy concepts. Okay, subscribe to Way to Commerce. Thank you.